In this meditation, we are going to bless the start of a new project or any project that you are working on or endeavor of any kind. So I want you to take a deep breath in, closing your eyes gently, and a deep breath out, and another deep breath in, and deep breath out. And now I want you to imagine incredible universal knowledge coming in from all around you. And I want you to bring in this powerful energy. And I want you to push it all the way down into the center of the earth and completely ground to this beautiful planet. And bring that energy back up all the way up so that it completely envelops you from above, below, and all around. And just know that right now you are asking to tap into the superconscious of the entire world. And now I want you to imagine and take your hands in front of you and have your project be in this wonderful energetic bubble in front of you. And just try to imagine it. It doesn't matter what it looks like or feels like, but this is your project, whether you're starting or whether you're working on one now. And we want to send all the answers, all the easiest paths, all the quickest and most high vibration ways that this will be completed, resolved, for every milestone to go better than you expect, for you to already now retain all the wisdom and knowledge you are meant to know, and to bring all this energy into this sacred ball of energy right now. And I want you to bless it with all that you're wanting to achieve in this endeavor, whether it's better relationships or more abundance of any kind. It can be health, it can be money, it can be relationships, it can be all of those things. Whether you want to create new inventions or whether you want to create more wonder for the world, whatever it is, put in all of your highest good intentions into this energetic ball now. Everything that you want to see, everything that you want to feel, just imagine bringing all of those in and call them out and bring them into this energetic ball now that represents your project. And let's bring in ease and smoothness. Let's bring in grace. Let's bring in the energy of strength so that everything is so easy for you and just moves so smoothly for you and everyone else. So that everyone feels grounded, feels supported, and everything feels aligned to go into the best direction. Ask for a direction that is so wonderful that exceeds all of your expectations. Ask for answers and inspired actions so that you can fully follow your intuition and move throughout this endeavor in a way that is fully aligned with your soul's calling, with your inner being. Allow yourself and all other beings involved to have 100% full freedom to be fully authentic in who they are as they are working and co-creating with you on this journey for this project. And now I want you to add in any other asks, anything else you would like to see more of. Ask for things to show up before you even know you need them. And ask for help to come in ways you've never even imagined. Ask for everything to just unfold before your very eyes. And ask for very clear, inspired action so you may act upon quickly and achieve incredible feats on this incredible journey for this project and endeavor. And now I want you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And I want you to release all resistance to all well-being across all space-time dimensions and all realities associated with this project and all endeavors. And now I want you just to completely release this incredible ball of energy that represents your endeavor or project into the earth, into the entire world, into every atom. Send it with a blessing and kindness and with so much gratitude for the most beneficial results coming your way.